Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make text vertically in circuit design space using your iPhone. This is perfect for label, bookmarks, thumbnails, and decorative design. Let's begin. First, open the circuit design space app on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, get it from App Store. Tap New Project at the bottom of your screen. This opens a blank canvas where you will create your design. Tap on plus. Now tap on text. A box will appear. Type in the words or name you want. Your text will now show on canvas. Tap font for choose the style you like. You can pick circuit font, system font from your iPhone, free or premium style. Once you choose the font you like, tap apply. Now we will make it vertically. To do this, tap your text so it will select, then tap edit at the bottom. Look for letter spacing. Increase the letter spacing until each letter moves underneath the other. Use your two fingers to resize your vertical text. Drag it to any position on the canvas. You can also change color, rotate it, add shape or image behind it. If you want to cut this design, tap make it. Choose your mat type. Connect your iPhone to the circuit machine through Bluetooth. Select your material and follow the cutting steps. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.